Henry McClure live at 37th and Gage. We need to build Southwest Traffic Way now. This is the second time somebody has ran into my sign. They could be gunning on me personally, that's okay. But the universe is saying, I want to drive through here. Personally, I think it's someone who has consumed some Vern's liquor store. Wham! But anyway, this is a great place to build a road. Connect right here to 41st and Wanamaker's roundabout. This road has only been on the books for 30 years in Topeka. Which is about the time we start getting around to doing stuff. Actually, I think Brett Blackburn told me it's 40 years. Bill Bunton most recently killed the project. Back then, I think it was Elevation Parkway. So we're going to rename it Southwest Traffic Way. So guys like Bill Bunton will forget about it, think it's a different road, and won't have any sense to fight against it.